guys, welcome to Lars Pharma Academy. Today we will discuss some previously asked questions. Okay, first question, an example is for anti-estrogen. Anti-estrogen options are tibolone, letrozole, clomiphene. So anti-estrogen correct answer clomiphene. Clomiphene citrate is the example for anti-estrogen. Clomiphene, what is the use of clomiphene? Ovulation induces for infertility. In males also some uses there. Male spermatogenesis induces. So another option will goes through tibolone. Tibolone used for hormone replacement therapy, and it is an estrogen derivative. So it is used for menopausal syndrome. Okay. Next option, letrozole. This aromatase inhibitors, so used for breast cancers and ovulation. Okay. Another option is mifepristone. Mifepristone is anti-progestins. Okay, used for pregnancy termination. Okay, so here correct question is anti-estrogen. Correct answer clomiphene. So next, uterine relaxants are also known as options: alcoholics, tocolytics, abortifacients, analeptic. Correct answer tocolytics, uterine relaxants. Okay, this example for tocolytics: Ritodrine, Eticiban. Okay, this is oxytocin antagonist. This used for premature labor, to prevent premature labor. Okay, tocolytics, uterine relaxants. Okay. Another options, echolytics. Echolytics, also known as uterine contraction stimulations. Echolytics stimulate uterine contraction. It includes oxytocin and abortifacient. Oxytocin is nothing but labor inducing, and abortifacient induce abortion. Another is analeptics. Analeptics example doxapram. Okay, these are so here correct question is uterine relaxants example. Correct answer tocolytics. Next, which route is ipratropium bromide administered? Correct answer inhalation. Ipratropium, everybody knows this question. The pharmacist have to know. Next, which is fourth generation cephalosporins? Correct answer cefepime. I will tell you one code. First generation, Fa include cefazolin, cefadroxil, cephalotin, cefradin, or Fa, or first generation. So second generation we have to buy cefaclor and cefuroxime. Okay. Third generation is 10. Code is 10. So third generation 10. It will also include cefdinir, ceftibuten, cefotaxime, cefixime. Okay, this third generation. Then fourth, cefepime and cefpiron. Okay. Next one question, example for atypical antipsychotics. Atypical antipsychotics called Cocras. Here correct answer olanzapine. Cocras, C stands for olanzapine, quetiapine, risperidone, aripiprazole, ziprasidone. These all are atypical antipsychotics. Next, fluoxetine is an example for what everybody knows. Fluoxetine and antidepressant classification. Selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, SSRIs. Okay. Other example for SSRIs include fluoxetine, citalopram, and sertraline. All are example for this antidepressant, SSRI, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. Okay guys, we discussed some previously asked question. Another portion I will discuss later. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.